How's it going, everybody? My name is Warner Fields with Fields of Profit. I'm a six-figure Amazon seller and full-time student. In today's video, I'm going to be diving into some online arbitrage, and I'm actually going to show you a little trick that I learned when I was just starting out, how you can sell online arbitrage without any expensive softwares like tactical arbitrage and that. It's a good way to get your toes wet, just really get an idea of what it's all about. It's going to let you decide if you want to get into online arbitrage a little bit more. This is also a good way, even if you don't want to go into tactical arbitrage and stuff like that, turn it into a bigger business. This is also a good way just to make, $100, $200, $300 a month just without software. You're just going to check some websites every now and then. So let's go ahead and jump right into the no software method for online arbitrage. Before we get started with today's video, I just want to say that only about 15% of people who watch my videos are actually subscribed. So if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click the button down below. It's free, it helps me out a ton, and you can always unsubscribe. Thanks. So now that we're on Amazon, the basic idea of how you're going to do this online arbitrage without software is you're going to find brands from stores that are not Amazon. So you're going to find Walmart branded stuff, you're going to find Walgreens branded stuff, all that kind of stuff. Those are going to be products that definitely have to be online arbitrage and retail arbitrage sellers, because you're not going to be able to get those wholesale. So no one else is going to be able to get those at a lower price than anyone buying them online. And then you're going to want to bundle those things, or sometimes you can just do one-to-one. So let's go ahead and see if we can find a product that we know for sure is, let's say, Walmart brand for this time. So let's just search Great Value, because that's the brand of Walmart's food usually. So as you can see, we've got a bunch of, looks like some drink packets. We're going to just click on this first one here. It's got 127 reviews. That means it's a pretty decent seller. Looks like we got 20 new sellers. We're going to check the Keepa. Looks like the price on Keepa has held pretty steady at this about $20 price point. So just real quick, I'm going to run this FBA calculator right here. This is a free Chrome extension. It's just called Amazon FBA calculator. Let's just keep it right here. There's 1968. That's where the buy box is at right now. So our net profitability on this is going to be $13.04. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and go over to walmart.com, and we're going to see if we can find those Great Value. What flavor was that? It was peach mango drink mix. So it looks like this is them right there, and we can get them for $158 a piece. In this case, you're not able to deliver these, so this would be a retail arbitrage product. Something you might want to do is start an Excel sheet where you have your products that are retail arbitrage, the products that you have to actually go into store. So this would be probably a good one to add to that list. Let's just go ahead and make sure. So 158 times 6 is going to be about $9-ish. So let's just say $9.50 after shipping and all that. So after all that, you're going to have to bundle these and all that, obviously. So you're just going to put them in a poly bag. And then after you spend $9.50, you're going to be able to make $3.54. And then this price graph doesn't really change, so you can be pretty rest assured that you're not going to lose your profit margin on this. It looks like typically it actually is around 20 to 21. So let's say that the price goes up a little bit to 20.5. That's going to be $4.23. That's a 20% profit margin. That's pretty good for something you're just going to Walmart to pick up. So let's go ahead and see if we can find, let's just search for a Walgreens branded product this time, see what we can find. See, as you can see, it's just a bunch of Walgreens branded allergy relief. You got sleep aid. So there's no way that someone has a wholesale account with Walgreens to sell on Amazon. So you know that you're getting it at least close to the lowest price. You're going to want to pair these up with sales and stuff like that. So let's see if we can find this 600 capsule wall drill on Walgreens.com. So we're going to go over here to Walgreens.com. And also a big tip is you're going to want to use Rakuten and stuff like that. I'm sure you know to do that. But as you can see in this case, it looks like we got 15% cash back on Walgreens, which is kind of insane. So that's going to help you get those margins way up. On the products like this, you're going to want to pair it with, Walgreens does a lot of like buy two, get one free offers. They do buy one, get one half off. So Walmart, Target, those are obvious ones, but you're also going to want to look at the maybe less traveled ones as far as online arbitrage, because those websites are going to have a lot better deals, and deals that aren't going to show up on a tactical arbitrage scan. So you doing it manually are actually going to have an advantage doing it this way. I've done some manual searches on Walgreens and found a good little list of profitable products from Walgreens.com, and that's just because I've been willing to put in the effort to go and manually search. But in this case, you're probably going to be doing this just because you don't want to buy tactical arbitrage quite yet. You want to see how it goes. So we're going to go ahead and see if we can find this wall drill 600. I think I misspelled it there. Let's see if it finds it. Yeah, there we go. So we've got, here it is for $27.99. Sometimes they do the buy two get one on this, so that's another way to get your margins even further down. So right here, $28 basically plus tax is going to put it at about $31. Let's run the profit calculator on that. So let's say it's 31. It's selling for 50 right now. That's going to be an $8 profit, but we're going to want to check the Keepa. So it looks like typically it's not quite this high. Let's say conservatively we'll sell it for 38. It looks like it likes to hover around 38 to 42-ish when it's in stock a lot. So let's just say 38. This is definitely not going to be profitable, but it's a negative $2 profit. But when you pair it with the 15% cash back, this is going to turn into from a 31 after tax product to about, let's say 27. So let's call it 27. And then now you can see it's a little profitable, not really a great return on investment there. But what you can do is add this to that retail arbitrage list Excel sheet that you've made, and then you're going to keep track of it. And anytime you see that Walgreens is running a buy two get one sale on this, that's going to knock the price down really by 33 cents or 33% per unit, because you're paying for two and then the third one is free. So it makes it 1/3 cheaper per unit. So that's going to turn this $31 buy cost after tax into about a $21-ish buy cost. Let's call it 21. So if it goes on sale, then you're going to be like, oh, okay, now it's an $8 profit margin, 20% margin, and that's worth picking up. So you're just going to want to keep an eye on the sales across all these websites. Just click through once a week on all your different websites, see what kind of sales are running. As you can see right now, there's a 30% off site-wide sale of some kind. So I'll probably search through this a little bit today, because the tactical arbitrage scanners are not going to pick this up. Plus the 30% off, plus this 15% cash back. You can plug that into tactical arbitrage, or you can search yourself, and that's going to get you some good little products there. So I hope this tutorial on finding online arbitrage products without software was useful. I hope you use it to make some money. If you have any questions about it, feel free to drop them down below. Let's talk about it. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Helps me out with the algorithm. Follow our socials. Those are going to be down below. And then there's also going to be links for all the softwares I use. That helps me out. Those are affiliate links, and it helps me make more content in the future. That's going to do it for this video. Thanks, guys.